Good morning, Vedic Way of Life viewers. Today we will see the daily Panchanga for September 14, 2021. We will see it for the East Coast using Manhattan as the base. So the Varsha is Plavanama Varsha, Dakshinayana. We are in Varsha Rithau, Simha Solar Masa or Bhadrapada Purnimanta Lunar Masa. The sunrise for New York, Manhattan will be 6:36 a.m. Sunset will be 7:06 p.m. Today we have two Tithis, Shukla Paksha Navami up to 1:47 a.m. Midnight or early morning tomorrow, followed by Dasami. Today it is Bhauma Vasara or Mangala Vara or Tuesday. The nakshatra is Mula up to 8:25 p.m. followed by Purvashara. Ayushuman Yoga is there till 5:55 p.m. followed by Saubhagya. We have Balavakarana up to 2:42 p.m. followed by Kaulava up to 1:47 a.m. Early morning on Tuesday, followed by Taitula Karana. So recently we had one viewer reach out to us asking us, what is the basis of the Panchanga? Why will the Tithi, Vara, etc. be the same across all cities and in the entire world? So since we follow the geocentric concept of calculating the longitudes for the planets, what happens is, irrespective of whatever place we are in, the longitude of sun and moon will be the same, resulting in at any one particular point in time, the same Tithi or Nakshatra or Yoga or Karana in all the places. What will change is the Vara based on the latitude of the place where you are living in, based on what time the sunrise was, that will change. And of course, the Lagna will change. So why do we need to have knowledge of all these? We know that knowledge of Tithi gives us wealth, knowledge of Vara gives us longevity, knowledge of Nakshatra removes sins, knowledge of Yoga cures diseases, knowledge of Karana gives success in work. This is the precise reason why Panchanga Patana or the reading of the Panchanga was undertaken daily at sunrise in the temples and in the homes. By doing that, all the 5 objectives were achieved for the welfare of the locality or for the home. Viewers, if you like this video, share this video with your friends, like the video, hit the subscribe button so that you can keep getting updates as we post more and more videos. Thank you.